What's up, everybody? This is Extreme Chevy coming at you with another video. I'm reinstalling some cab stuff today, and I'm putting up my sun visors again, but it's going to be right this time. Last time it wasn't right, but now this time it will be. I got the right ones for the right sides to put them in, and I'm going to go ahead and start. So let's do this. Screwdriver in like that. Let's get the first one started. There we go. Alright, let's get the second nut going. I mean the second screw going. Not a nut, it's a screw. Alright, where's that hole? There it is. Alright, that one's going in good. First one I'm going to have to redo. It didn't feel right. Okay. Right. Yeah, that's right hand, this is left hand. Yeah. Get this over here. Alright, so now this one's on the right side of the truck. Okay, so almost doesn't look like it, but it is a left-handed sun visor. So, make sure these are down and tight. And that one's in now. So now we can go to the other side and finally put them both in. Yeah. Alright, I'm going to go to the other side. There we go. Yeah, they're perfectly matched now. They're the right ones for it. They're on the right sides. So these are now installed permanently. Alright. Get her nail in. There we go. You know what, guys? I almost feel like I got them in wrong again. Yeah. Yeah, I did. I put them in backwards, guys. I thought I put the right one in on this side. Let's do this again. Fun day. Won't take long though. I'll get it right some of these days. Alright, this goes on the other side and that one goes on this side. Let's just take a little look at these and see. This says right. I don't get it, guys. It is the right. It was the right side. This is RH on it. That's for right hand side. So I did read them right. I guess that's just the way they are, guys. Fold it up. I'll go ahead and put it back in, but right here I'll show you. It says RH for right hand side. So that is the passenger side. I got the brakes all in today, guys. They're working. I got them all bled. I was going to do a video on that, but I forgot to because it takes forever to do it. It really does. But they're all done now. I got brakes. It runs. And this weekend I will be driving this thing. Ah, dust, and itchy nose. A lot easier this time than it was the first time I tried doing this. Let me go ahead and do this. Guys, you know what? This just doesn't seem right. But it is. It's right, but it's not. It's This is a very old truck. These are the original bars. That's just the way it is, I guess. I guess that's the way they were when they were made. Goes up. You know what, guys? I'm going to switch these around just to see what happens. Yeah. Won't take long to do. There we go. Next down. This screw up here on the bench. I'm going to turn this box a little bit. That way I have more room. This is part of the problem when you work with aftermarket stuff. You gotta figure out what's gonna work, and hopefully what you got is gonna work. So, yeah. All right, let's do this. Switch these around. Oh, shoot. Oh, I see where it went. Okay. Oh, boy. All right, there we go. Oh. Where'd it go? There it is. And okay. Now that looks good. That looks a lot better and straighter, guys. All right. That looks so much better. So I got a feeling when they're labeling these things, yeah, this is LH, but you know what? I got this. I have a feeling this is right from left from looking at the vehicle from outside. That's what it is. It's not right to left out looking at it right here. It's from coming in. And they seem to work perfect now. So that's exactly what it is. They, when it says left and right, that means left and right from looking at the truck from the outside, facing it when you go to put these on. Because it just don't fit right if you do it from the inside, right and left. So I'm gonna go put this one in on the inside now. Hell no. All right. Yeah. I'm gonna switch them back and just leave it that way. It seems to be. I was just gonna have to be. This one goes back to the other side. Alright, so I was wrong. Maybe the oh boy. I'm definitely gonna have to edit this video. Alright, let's get this back in here. And that's it. my shirt hiding somewhere. Okay, so that's it. That's just the way it is. I can live with that. At least I'm getting real good about taking them in and out real quick. Ow. Oh, that's the elbow. Ah. Funny bone. Ain't so funny. No. Where'd it go? There it is. It's a good thing things are shiny. Okay, let's try this again. Alright. Shoot. Oh, what's... Oh, it's a moth. I almost feel like I should redo these holes, but they're the factory holes, guys. So I don't want to mess with factory stuff. I guess that's just the way it is. I can live with that. I got them. They're in here. They'll work. They'll do their job. That's what it's about. Okay. Alright. Those are right in. I'm happy. They're not perfect, but you know, this is a 54-year-old truck. So that's wax. It's coming out. Good. Yeah. As perfect as I'm trying to build this truck, guys, the painter who was doing my truck passed away, so yeah. And I already paid them all. Everything. So I'm going to try to do all this myself now. But so the paint job for the rest of the truck may not be as perfect as it is now, but it's going to get done in the same color and everything. So yeah, and I got brakes now. I got all that done, and it runs great. I got the new seal in the transmission. I just need to redo the drive shaft. I got a new part for it, and then once I get that done and back in, and the exhaust back in, because I got the mounting done for it, I'll be driving. And then I can start putting this thing back together. I want to put the glove box back in, and let's see what else we can do. Yeah. There's a lot of wax in here though. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. My perfect dash ain't so perfect no more. Eh. Oh, there we go. Oh, that looks so much better. Oh, that looks better. This dash looks absolutely awesome, guys. I just need to get the glove box in now. Then I'll close all this up. The panels for here, the original stuff, I need to paint that and put it in. The radio area here, I need to find a radio that will fit and cover this whole area. I got one that was given to me when I bought the truck, but I just don't know if it works, but I'm thinking of just putting it in just to, you know, cover up the hole for now. So, but there's a lot of wax in here for when the guy was doing his buffing and everything. I should do, yeah. But that looks good in here, guys. I really like this. Okay, so the sun visors are in. They're not perfectly straight, but you know, they didn't make these things to be show trucks. These are supposed to be farm trucks, work trucks and stuff like that. So, and but they're pretty much in sync with each other from side to side. So there you go. There's a good look at it. That's how they're in here. Factory holes and everything. The poles are, these aren't, these are new, but the rods are the originals. Oh, no, they're not. No, they're not. I'm so sorry, guys. They are not originals. I do have the originals. I should have used them probably. They probably would have fit better. But these actually are not bad. So next I need to put this in right here. I should do that real quick and then grab everything for the glove box and put that in. And then once I have the glove box in, I really do need to do the patches to the firewall for out here. I need to make a patch, 3 of them. One for there, one for here, this one, and one for up here. It's either that or put the old box back on, but that's not a choice. I've got all these new grommets to cover up the small ones here. I'm waiting on one to do this one right here. But the rest of these small holes are where the mounting are. The mounts are for the inner padding goes on. So those will be all, except for this one right here. I got to cover that one up too. I may cut this out right here and flatten this all out and make a nice little patch for that. But so far that's it. Where the wires go in through right here, I'm going to be doing my own thing instead of the regular grommet. And it'll look good when I'm done with it. I got this on upside down right now because I got the 2-inch riser under there. I need to get another rod to put in here and then I can turn this back over. But for right now, I got it upside down because that's the only way it fits. I know it looks kind of funny. But the brakes are all in and they're working. Everything's good to go. I redid my brake lines like I told you guys I would. It's now one solid line from up here. It goes up, loops back, goes down, goes all the way down right there and over, staying away from the radiator. Comes back over here, all on one solid line, up and through here. I'm sorry, right there. Here it comes. You can see it right there. It's up like that, comes up, and it comes back just like the other one did, but it's all one piece now. Going down and connecting to the brake line and the stock spot. And there's no leaks now. I even got myself another flaring tool, the 3/16 flaring tool. I'll show that to you real quick. I like the one I was using, but I got this because it really helps out a lot. Sorry about that, guys. Here we go. Yeah, I'll show it to you real quick. If I can figure out which drawer I put it in. Yeah, here we go. This one right here. It's the Capri 3/16. It only does one size. It's 3/16, but that's what pretty much everybody uses. As you can tell right there. And this is really good for making good flares. It holds it in one spot, and this piece right here, you do this side first, you put it in once you got your line in here at the right depth, and to get it at the right depth, it gives you this to screw into here, and then you just butt it up to it, screw this all the way in, butt it up to that, and then you tighten up these two nuts right here on the top. That holds the line in. Then you take this back out. Then you do this side first for the single flare, and then you just screw it back out and then screw it back in with that side, and it does the double flare, and it does a really good job. You just got to make sure you use the grease that it comes with. Now I'm not plugging, this is not a commercial oven. I'm using this because I wanted to, and it's really helped a lot. It's not like you got to have this tool or anything like that. I don't advertise for nobody. This is not an advertisement, but I like doing tools if I can. So, but that's the name of it, Capri. You can find it online. I got mine off of Amazon, and it works really well. It really does. So, but yeah, that's what I use to help. I still have my other one. I still used it too because it works really. I can do a good flare with the regular cheap stuff. I've been able to. I just got this because I wanted more than one option on how to do it. But these are really good, and yeah, so it worked out really well. But I'll be right back. I need to go get the light. I'm going to get the light up in this back center. I'll be right back. If I can. Well, I can't pause the video on my camera for some reason. I wish they did have that option, but I don't. So I'm going to turn this off, and I'll be right back. What's up, everybody? I'm back. I'm getting ready to install the dome light here. So what I'm looking for right now is I need to get this tie off of here. And yeah, there we go. Just getting them ready to do this. Put this in. I think I got it angled pretty good the way you can see the inside of the cab. And this one actually comes with this connection on it. It's the same connection that's on the American Auto Wire wiring harness. So all I got to do is put this in, run it down along side here in the running, go up here to the wires, and where it's coming right off the fuse box. It's only about that long, and it comes right off the fuse box for this to go into, and it's the same connection. So I need to find some electric wiring stuff for that, but first let's go ahead and push this in. That's all you do really, because there's right here on the back of these, it's like a little clip, as you can tell. There you go. So when I push this up in there, it'll click right in, and that's it. first we got to run this wire, and to do that I have some old tie wire here. Just need to get this out and get it straight. There's a lot of people around where I live. It's an old, we're right on the border of, this is a senior community, 55 and older. But I'm just going to use this real quick. I'm not going to cut a piece off of this. I'm just going to cut it long enough to go from one end to the other. Or actually I probably should do that. Make it long enough to go from up here to down here. About right there. Make it. Okay, that's about what I need. Kind of need to straighten it out some. Pull it really tight. There. And now when I push it up through there, it should go down to the corner. Alright, I went ahead and cut it. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, because of what this is, I can just wrap it around like that. Just like that. And now I should be able to feed this to the hole and go straight over to here in the corner to where I can pull it out. Okay. Oh, there it is. All right. That needs to be caught up a little bit in there. Yeah, it is. Okay, there seems to be something in there keeping it hard for me to pulling it through. So I'm going to try that again. So let's do it again. Okay, tell you what, I need to tape the end of this up. This might help. I think this was catching on stuff up in there, so I need to keep it from doing that. Okay. Hopefully this will do it, because I don't want to have to take this off. I can. It's not that hard. But if I can keep it from having to do that, I'd like to. Alright, let's try it again. Reach up in there. Oh, yeah, I found it. Yeah. Alright, guys. This is not cooperating. This is not cooperating at all. So I'm gonna have to take this completely off. Alright, well, I'm going to do that and I'll be right back, guys. What's up, YouTube? I know this is a continuation of the other video that I was working on when I'm working on my truck. I finished putting in my backlight. I'm going to show you real quick. Oh, get my feet. So here you go. That is in there now. I got the wire coming down to the side here. I still need to kind of get something up in here that will hold behind the wire. But other than that, it goes all the way down and along there up into that right there. I know it's a little dark, but I tried to get to this before the sun was going down, because I just wanted to show you, give you an update, and everything is pretty much in here done. I just got to put my seat belts in and then bolt the seat down, and that'll be it. And then I can put the doors on this thing. Yeah, I'm basically almost ready to put the doors on. But yeah, here's a nice shot of the dash again. Beautiful dash. I got the horn setting out, that way I could finally put that in and get this capped off and everything, and that'll be done. I don't have to fool with that no more. But yep, I should be getting some paint pretty soon. That way I could do the doors, because I'm going to paint the inside of the doors this darker flat blue, and make it hopefully all match from for the inside. The floor is completely installed. I got padding and sound deadener and the top vinyl floor in there. That way, in case it'll stay clean. But yeah, but I just wanted to show you guys that, and that's how everything is done in here. And I'm getting ready pretty soon to put the black glass in. I have the black glass. I've always had it. I've had it also tinted. So once I get that in, that's gonna look nice. But yeah, it's coming along, guys. So I thank everybody for watching. And this will complete this video for you. I just wanted to show you that I finished all that. So, but yeah, I love this thing. It is so nice looking. Can't wait to drive. Oh yeah. So y'all have a great night. I'll see you. Sun's going down. I meant to do this while the sun was up, but I've been busy, and so I ran outside to do the completion, and that way you can see that I got the light in, which is great. So peace out, guys. Thumbs up. Oh yeah, give the video a thumbs up if you like it. I appreciate it. I'm trying to video everything I do with my truck. That way you guys can see how I'm doing it and when I'm doing. And yeah, and pretty soon I'll be starting to put the front end together. I just need to clean some things up on the fenders and repaint them, bolt them back on. Yeah, it's gonna be fun, guys. I'll see you later. All right. Like again, if you like my videos, please give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe if you're new. I appreciate it. Still watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.